Diamond cutting is one of the most precise and skilled processes in the jewelry world. It transforms a rough, unpolished stone into a brilliant gem that reflects light beautifully. Cutting a diamond is not just about shaping it, it's about maximizing its brilliance, fire, and value. 1. Understanding the rough diamond. Before cutting begins, the cutter, called a lapidary, carefully studies the rough diamond. Each stone is unique in shape, size, and internal structure. The cutter examines natural crystal shape, internal inclusions, flaws, grain lines, and stress points. Modern cutters often use advanced scanning technology to plan the best possible cut while minimizing waste. 2. Planning the cut. Planning is one of the most important steps. A poor decision at this stage can reduce the diamond's value significantly. The cutter decides the final shape, round, princess, oval, etc., how to maximize carat weight, how to position facets for best brilliance. Computer software is commonly used today to simulate different cutting options. 3. Cleaving or sawing. Once the plan is ready, the diamond is divided if necessary. Cleaving, splitting the diamond along its natural grain using a sharp blade. Sawing, using a laser or diamond-coated saw to cut the stone. Modern diamond cutting mostly uses lasers for precision and safety. 4. Shaping. Bruting is the process of shaping the diamond into a basic form, usually round. Traditionally, two diamonds are rubbed against each other to shape them. Today, machines are often used for more accuracy. 5. Faceting. This is where the diamond starts to shine. Faceting involves cutting flat surfaces, called facets, onto the diamond. These facets reflect light and create sparkle. There are two main parts: crown, top part, pavilion, bottom part. Each facet must be placed at precise angles to optimize light reflection. Polishing. Polishing smooths each facet and enhances brilliance. A rotating wheel coated with diamond dust is used. This step requires extreme precision. Any mistake can affect the final appearance. 7. Final inspection. After cutting and polishing, the diamond is inspected for symmetry, polish quality, proportions. It may then be graded based on the 4 C's: cut, color, clarity, carat weight. Popular diamond cuts. Some common diamond shapes include round brilliant, most popular, princess cut, emerald cut, oval cut, cushion cut. Each shape affects how the diamond reflects light. Why diamond cutting matters. Cutting is the most important factor affecting a diamond's beauty. Even a high-quality rough diamond can look dull if cut poorly, while a well-cut diamond can appear more brilliant, even with minor inclusions. Conclusion. Cutting a diamond is both an art and a science. It requires skill, experience, and advanced technology to transform a rough stone into a dazzling gem. From planning to polishing, every step plays a crucial role in creating the brilliance we admire in finished diamonds.